What's up, friends? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nick. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional food photographer and lifestyle filmmaker. Today I just wanted to make a video real quick about this watch my fiance got me for Christmas this year. It's the MVMT BLACKTOP and it's absolutely beautiful. I love it so much, and I just want to talk about why I love it. Let's get into it. All right, so from the outside, just looking at it, it has a beautiful, thick, 24mm wide strap. It's genuine leather. It's like this gorgeous sandstone color, and it complements really well with the olive face and the gunmetal gray finish on the outside of the watch itself. It has a really nice interchangeable strap system, so if your straps burn out or they break or something, which I don't anticipate this happening, these are pretty thick, they feel good, the quality is gonna be there forever. The one thing I don't like about the straps, and this happens with all leather watch straps, it's not MVMT specifically, is like if you're sweating a lot during the summertime, they will start to stink a little bit. But one easy fix for that for me was just like taking a toothbrush with some dish soap and then putting like a few drops of essential oil on there. Kind of gets it back to normal and gets rid of that funk. It's 47mm wide. It's about 13.5mm thick. It has a beautiful crystal glass that's kind of like dome shaped. It's not flat across. It'll withstand like general wear and tear pretty well along with scratches. So you can kind of beat this thing up and it'll still look really good. So there's 3 buttons on the right hand side. The top one is your start stop on your chronograph. The middle one is to adjust the time and date if you ever need to. And then the bottom one is to reset the chronograph. You obviously have your main outside dial, which tells you the time. I thought the large second hand was gonna be the running seconds, but the right dial is actually your running seconds. The large second hand is for your chronograph start stop. The dial on the left is your 60-minute timer. So basically how you start that is you push the top button once. Your 60-minute timer is running on the left now. I find this super useful when I'm in the kitchen and I have to set the timer for something. I'll just do it quick on my watch instead of grabbing my phone and asking Siri to set the timer when I can just look at it right here. Surprisingly, I use it quite a bit. Another thing I really like about this watch is just the overall simplicity, the minimalism of it. It doesn't overdo anything. You have a very practical and simplistic watch, and I really love that about it. It's not a Rolex, you're not gonna spend thousands on this, and it's also not like a shitty Walmart watch and you're not gonna spend like $15 on it. It's like right in the middle. This watch I think runs like right around 185. I wouldn't say this watch is suited for any like diving or snorkeling or surfing. I just don't think it would hold up in the water that well. It does say it's water resistant to about 10 meters or so. If you get it wet in like the rain or something, then you're good to go. But if it's like underwater, I don't think it's gonna hold up. This is my favorite watch to date. I'm gonna have this for a very long time. They're easy to take care of. It's a quartz movement, so if you ever need to change out the battery, you just take it to a jeweler and they'll be able to do it for you pretty easy. But I like it. I'm really thankful my fiance got me this. I was completely blown away when I opened this package, and I really love it. It's a beautiful watch. Thank you, Buns. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I have no affiliation with MVMT whatsoever. I just made this video because I wanted to, and I wanted to share this with you guys. So if you're in the market for a new watch, check out the MVMT BLACKTOP, and then go check out their other line too. They have a bunch of other cool watches that you probably dig too. That's it, guys. Peace. Enjoy your Sunday.